AI chipmaker Cerebras Systems priced its initial public offering at $185 a share on May 13th, raising $5.55 billion in the largest tech IPO of 2026. The stock began trading on Nasdaq under the ticker CBRS on May 14th, with shares indicated to open near $350, nearly double the offering price. At its first day closing price, Cerebras carried a market cap of roughly $95 billion. The company brought in $510 million in revenue last year, a 76% jump, and swung from a loss of nearly $500 million to net income of $88 million.
Google used its annual I/O Developer Conference on May 19th to announce two new model families, Gemini 3.5 and Gemini Omni. Gemini 3.5 Flash combines what Google calls frontier intelligence with agentic task performance, surpassing its 3.1 Pro predecessor on coding, agentic, and multimodal benchmarks at 4 times the output speed. Gemini Omni is a new model series that accepts image, audio, video, and text input, and can generate and edit video through conversational prompts.
New benchmark data published this week shows Anthropic's successive Claude models have dramatically accelerated their ability to optimize AI training code, with the latest preview model reaching a 52 times mean speedup over unmodified code. The progression is striking. Claude Opus 4 achieved a 2.9 times speedup in May 2025, rising to 16.5 times with Opus 4.5, then 30 times with Opus 4.6, and now 52 times with the Claude Mythos preview in April 2026. To put those numbers in context, a human researcher is expected to need 4 to 8 hours of work to achieve just a 4 times speedup on the same task.
Microsoft disclosed this week that a new internal AI system called M-, short for Multi-Model Agentic Scanning Harness, discovered 16 of the 137 vulnerabilities patched in its May Patch Tuesday update. MDASH was built by Microsoft's Autonomous Code Security team and uses more than 100 specialized AI agents working across multiple models to scan code for weaknesses. The system is described as finding flaws by understanding the logic of how applications work and then identifying how those weaknesses might be chained into exploit paths. The disclosure came the same week Palo Alto Networks reported its own AI scans of over 130 products uncovered 75 vulnerabilities, more than 7 times the firm's typical monthly volume.
OpenAI launched a new majority-owned subsidiary this week called the OpenAI Deployment Company, backed by more than $4 billion in initial investment from 19 global partners, including TPG, Bain Capital, Brookfield, Goldman Sachs, and SoftBank. The unit, known as DeployCo, is designed to embed specialized forward-deployed engineers directly inside client organizations to identify, build, and operate production AI systems. Consulting giants Bain & Company, Capgemini, and McKinsey & Company are among the investors, a move analysts called notable given it positions those firms to help fund their own potential disintermediation.
Isomorphic Labs, the AI drug discovery company spun out of Google DeepMind, announced a $2.1 billion Series B funding round on May 12th, led by Thrive Capital.
$2.1 billion is huge. What does this say about the potential of AI in drug discovery?
If nothing else, it shows that investors see a lot of promise. Existing backers Alphabet and GV joined alongside new investors including Abu Dhabi's MGX, Singapore's Temasek, Capital G, and the UK Sovereign AI Fund. The capital will go towards scaling the company's AI drug design engine, known as ISO-DDE, and advancing its pipeline of therapeutic programs toward clinical trials. Isomorphic Labs CEO Sir Demis Hassabis called the round a massive vote of confidence in the company's first principles approach to drug design, saying the focus now is on scaling the technology to its full potential.